What's going on, guys? It's your boy here, Glowstick, back with another video. And today, we're gonna be doing is how you can make a giveaway command in discord.js. So you guys actually asked for this for such a long time, and it's actually a hard command, not gonna lie. I mean, it's not hard, but it's just a bit complicated to do, and it still has like a lot of args. I feel like you guys should be able to get it if you guys have been following my channel. We've done a bit of harder stuff, but yeah, we're gonna do that in today's video. And so yeah, it's gonna be it. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So what we want to start off by doing is we just want to create another command like we do, bruh. Right, here we go, and we're just gonna call it giveaway, like so. Giveaway, and now we can make another file actually called giveaway.js, and then just wait for that to load. Yours will probably load faster because mine's slow. Okay, now that it's loaded, if I go into my app drawer command, because this is small, I'm just gonna copy the code from that and paste it in. Now I can get rid of all of this, so we just have a blank sheet, I guess, and then change the name to giveaway. And then we can keep this as give something away. And boom. So now we're gonna have to actually use a module called ms. So we want to do const ms require, here we go, ms, and like so. We already imported this actually, const ms equals, my bad, and we actually used the ms before. I think we used it in our mute command. Yeah, as you guys can see, we actually use it, so we don't have to import it using npm. We can just keep it like so. If you have it already imported ms, though, go ahead and import it because we will be using it for our time. Now we can actually code. This is going to be our main part of the code. So however, if you have your command handler, right, that doesn't matter, just set that up, import ms, but then this is where we're going to actually be coding our command. So now what we want to do is we want to do if message dot member dot rows dot cache dot has. Okay, now this is just for the, how do I say this? This is for the, I guess, permissions. So if I were to go into my Google Chrome here or stuff, you just want to do whatever row that you want to access it. So I'm just going to do mod, copy that ID, go into your VS Code, and then, okay, sorry, I had a bit of background noise there, but we just want to paste in our ID here, like so, and then we can open it up as a bracket. Now we can do if args and then 0. Right, so then we can do return message.channel.send, and we want to send. So first we're gonna have our time, right? So first they would need a time for the actual giveaway after they put in the prize, I guess. So no, sorry, prize goes last. You want to say please include a time for this giveaway. You can customize this if you really want to embed. If you also want it, you can add that. But let's just copy this. Oh wow, no, bad idea. Here you go. We can copy this and then delete this. And then we can do args.ends with, like so, and then add in d, and where's the and? Where's the and symbol? Oh, here it is. So and args 0, and then dot ends with, and then we can, oh, I added a tab by accident, sorry. Ends with h, and then do this again. Arg 0, no, it's dot ends with once more, and then we can pass in for this one m. So you can do days, hours, and minutes. Nothing lower than that, or nothing like years. Okay, no one wants years, right? You can return message channel dot send. Hold up, I'm gonna get rid of this so you guys can see it better. Please format your time. This is just so they have it in a proper spot, I guess. Now, I think I got an error. Oh. Wait. Yeah, this is not meant to be here. This should be here. So then it encompasses the whole thing. Now, what we want to do is we have to add yet another if statement. So if, and now this time is going to be is, and capital N, lowercase a, and a capital N again, is nan, and then we can do args, and this time we're really gonna mix it up. We're adding 2 zeros. I know. No, I'm doing. And now we can do return. Sorry, yeah, message dot mentions dot channels dot first. So it's not message dot users, right? It's just basically they're gonna do something like slash I don't know giveaway. So then their time 5 minutes, and then they're gonna do like I don't know general like so, and then the prize and stuff. And that's basically what it is. If channel, so if the channel is not there. Oh wait, no, I messed up. Yeah, we have to do let channel. My bad. Equal message dot mentions dot channel dot first. It's channels. My bad. And then we can just do that. Now we can actually pass in, if there isn't a channel, we can return message dot send that is I could not find that channel, like so. And then we want to do let prize equal args.slice. Yeah, make sure you added args or else you have so many errors. And then we want to pass in 2 in the slice, and then join it up with this. And then we can do, hold up, let me go down. Okay, good. Now if we do if prize, we can do return message.channel. That's it. And yeah, this is a lot of if statements just to check. Please include a prize. Now that we have done this, we can actually get into our, embed, because this is all the logic that we're going to need to grab. So now let's actually grab into the embed. Now we can do message.channel.send. So if all of this passes through, we can say there is a giveaway in, and then you want to actually change this to tilde keys, my bad. And then use the $sign and then brackets, and then do channel. So this will just say, okay, the giveaway is in there. Have fun. There we go. And then we can do let giveaway embed equal new Discord embed. Message embed, sorry. Embed. Didn't work, bro. Okay, and then we can do set title. We can set that as like, I don't know, new giveaway. And then let's add a little emoji there too. Tada emoji. And then we can do set description. I hope I spelled that correctly. Did I? Yeah, I did. My spelling's on point. That's a joke. It's very bad. But anyways, we can do add in 2 of those. So make this bloated. Again, this is how you want to keep it. I'm gonna keep it like this. You guys can change how it looks. We can do this message dot author. So him, the author of the giveaway hoster, is hosting a giveaway. Winner gets prize. Again, you can customize this to however you'd like because it's your bot, not mine. This is how I'm just keeping it. And then boom. And now we can set a timestamp. Yeah. And now we're gonna do date.now plus ms ergs 0. Now this is why I added ms, and so this will be actually doing the time calculation, and it will tell you when the giveaway will be ending. And then we can do set color random. Actually, no, let's not do random. Let's do blue. Blue looks nice, right? And then we can do let m equal. Now, I'm not gonna do ms giveaway embed message. Let that equal to await channel dot send. And then we can do giveaway embed. Now you may be asking, why do we need to keep this? And yeah, basically we're gonna send this, so we're gonna do channel.send. So we're gonna send it to the actual channel, and we're gonna send the embed. But then, as with any giveaway, you have to react to it. So like, you know, that's just how it works. So you know, it can choose the people. So then that's why we have let giveaway, and then we can, after here, actually right after this, we can do giveaway embed message. Right? Embed message dot react with the title emoji. Now, sorry, I had a delivery, but we can actually, I'm gonna, in my notepad here, I have the emoji, and we can just do that. Right, so it's the party popper emoji. If you want to know how you can get this emoji for yourself, right, just search up, oh no, tie-dye emoji. Once you search this up, it's right here. Just copy it and paste it in, boom, like so. Very easy. But let's actually get back to our code and make it. So now this would just set up the actual giveaway. It will put in the channel properly, it will tell you when it's gonna end, and it will react to it. But now here's the logic that will actually end it, because you know we have to end the giveaway at one point, and it will choose somebody random. So we want to set timeout, and then you want to make that into an arrow function. And once we open it up, we can do if giveaway embed message. See, this is why I regret making my thing so long. I suggest you not make yours this long, so you don't have to type that all out every time. But we can do dot reactions dot cache, and then dot size equals 0, 0. So now what this will do is once it ends, right, it will say, if it checks if nobody reacted, it will do channel dot send, and then say reacted to giveaway. A little sad face there, you know what I'm saying? But then we can do let winner equal give away embed message dot, oh no, message, sorry there, and then reactions dot cache dot size, and okay, hold up, cache dot get, sorry, my bad. And then once again we're gonna do this, pass in this right here, pass in that party popper, and basically what this will do is this will search for this reaction, right? And because let's say somebody spams the giveaway reactions, then it will choose from one of those, and it will make it unfair, because if somebody put in like 30 reactions, which is not possible, it's like 15, but then it would give them an unfair advantage. So it will just search for this instead, this emoji instead, and then only do that one. And then we can do dot users dot cache dot filter. We can do u, which stands for user, and then arrow function it, and it will make sure that u is not a bot. So exclamation mark means, you know, bot, I mean not, right? And if the u is bot, then it will just make sure it doesn't choose a bot. And then we can do random, and basically I'll just choose a random winner. And then we can do channel dot send, and then it would say the winner of giveaway for one. I'll make that in bold. $, prize is, and then again we can do this winner. Again, you can just keep this however you'd like. I like it like this. You can customize it. This is a fully customizable thing. And then boom. Now what we do is we actually have to like this. And you go here, add a comma, and then ms args 0. So this will just end the giveaway after that using our ms right here. Now that that's done, we can go here and then do else message .channel.send, put in you require the moderator for this command. No, you can keep whatever you'd like. But yeah, believe it or not, this is the actual whole command done. So if we go into our index here and just do node space off, and if you're new to the channel, I'm going to tell you guys right now, I don't really tell you guys this, but it's been working for a bit, and we've actually done super good. In the last 2 days, we got 8 subscribers, which is really good. You guys probably think it's but to me, it actually means a lot. We're at 154. 160 is my next, no, actually 200 is my next goal. But if we could get to there slowly by slowly, it would mean a lot. And yeah, Macer has logged in. So yeah, if we go into our Chrome, I guess, and we do giveaway as that, and it will say please include a time. So if you do giveaway by 1 min, could not find that channel, giveaway 1 min #testing. I'm just gonna copy that because it's gonna say please include the prize. So we can keep the prize. I don't know, let's say nothing. And then it will say there is a giveaway in testing. I got a spelling error there. And now I also got an error. So hold up, I'm gonna be back real quick. Okay, so I actually fixed it. If we go into our Visual Studio Code here, it's supposed to be Discord.message embed. I just didn't put in Discord.capital D, remember that. But yeah, that's all my fault. Just update that in your code. And now if we go into here, sorry, I have so many DMs. This is a group DM, one of them isn't. And then if we actually just copy this, because I'm not trying to write it out again, and paste that in, it says there's a new giveaway. Again, I spelled this wrong. I was in a rush, I guess. And then it says Glowy is hosting a giveaway, and winner getting us nothing. So let's actually just react here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut to when it actually decides it's winner. Okay, so here you go. So it said, you know, there's a giveaway, nothing, and then what do you call it? Glowy is hosting a giveaway. Sorry, I can't talk. Winner gets nothing. So it's kind of sad. But then it said winner for giveaway is nothing. For nothing is Glowy. So yeah, there you go. That's a giveaway command in discord.js because you guys forced me to. I will be doing discord.py soon, don't worry, and I'm gonna be covering leveling system, all of those coming soon. In discord.py and discord.js both. I'll try to do discord.js. It's a bit harder in discord.js, but yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And again, till next time, we'll stick out. See ya.